आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली Rabbi zidni ilma. Students, today we will solve our question number 5, which is find the lowest number between 200 and 500 which leaves the remainder of 3 in each case when divided by 8, 10, 12 and 30. Student, here we have to solve this question in 3 steps. In first step we will find the LCM of these numbers 8, 12, 10 and 30. Then we will find the multiples of that LCM and then we will take the lowest number between 200 and 500 because its LCM means lowest common multiple, and then we will add 3 in it. So in first step you will find the LCM. I have to tell you how to find the LCM. Let's revise one time more. First of all, you will start with smallest number. When the numbers will not divide with that number, then you will move to next number. Because these all numbers can be divided by 2, so we will take first our smallest number 2 here, 2 4 the 8, 2 6 the 12, 2 5 the 10 and 2 1 the 10 and 2 5 the 2 1 the 2 and 2 5 the 10. Here we got our numbers. Again we have two numbers which we can divide by 2, so we will divide again with 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 5 the 15 and 15 will remain as it is because we cannot divide 15 with 2. Now next we again have here 2, so we again divide it with 2. 2 1 the 2 and all other numbers remain same because these are not divisible by 2. Next we have here 3, so you will divide these numbers with 3, 3 and 15. 3 1 the 1 will remains as it is, 3 1 the 3, 5 as it is and 3 5 the 15. Here we have 2 5, so you will divide with 5. Here you got your numbers. By multiplying that you will got your LCM, which we got here 120. Now students, second step, we will find the multiples of 120 till we got the number nearest between 200 and 500, nearest 500. When we got the factors, we have here 240, 360 and 480. Next number will be greater than 500, so we will stop here. And now you will take your least number because here we have to find the LCM, means lower common multiple. So here we have the least number is 240. So now at last step you will add 3 in this number. You will add 3 in 240. 200 plus 3, you got your number 243. Here is your answer. Now students, question number 6, find the smallest number when divided by 12, 15 and 18 and 27 leaves as remainder 8, 11, 4 and 23 respectively. You will solve this question in 3 steps. First you will find your LCM, then you will find the difference of these numbers, remainders and the numbers that have to find their LCM, and at last you will subtract the number from the LCM. Student, here in first time you will find your LCM yourself. I have told you how to find your LCM. We got here our LCM is 540. For step 2, you will find the difference of these numbers with their remainders. First number is 12 and 8. When you subtract them, you will got 4. Next, and in this way, when you subtract all number, you will gain same difference, means the difference of number 4. It means you have to subtract this number 4 from your LCM. So when you subtract this number 4 from your LCM, which is 540, you will got your answer 536. In this way you will solve your question number 6. Students, here is your question number 7. Find the smallest 4-digit number that divides by 40, 50 and 60, leaves the remainder of 5 in each case. Student, here you have 3 steps. First of all, you will find the LCM 40, 50 and 60. Then you find multiples of your LCM till you got lowest 4-digit number, and then you will add 5 in it. So in your first step you will find your LCM. LCM is 600. The multiples of 600 are 1200, 1800, 2400. But you have to need only the 4-digit lowest number, so you don't need to find more multiples. Here in first step we got our 4-digit lowest number, that is 1200, and you will add 5 in this number. In this lowest 4-digit number you will add 5, means you will add 5 in 1200. So you got your answer 1205, 1205 or 1205. Here is your answer. Students, your question number 8 is find the greatest number of 5 digits which when divided by 25, 30 and 40 leaves the remainder of 20, 25 and 35 respectively. Students, you will solve this question in 5 steps. This is the complicated one question. First step will always be remain same. You will take the LCM of your numbers. In second step, you will take your 5-digit greatest number. You know very well what is the 5-digit greatest number. That is 99,999. Okay. Then you will divide your LCM, this number with your LCM. You will divide this 5-digit greatest number with your LCM, and number 3 step you will subtract the remainder. Then when you divide, you will got a remainder, and then you will subtract that remainder from your greatest 5-digit number. And now in 4th step you will take the difference of all numbers, and 5th step you will subtract the number from your total amount. Here in first step I have find your LCM, which is 600. Okay. Now in second step you have to take your 5-digit numbers, greatest number, which is 99,999, and divide it with 600. 600 1 the 600. When you subtract, you got 399. You will take next 9. Now 606 the 3600. Again when you subtract, you got 399. You will take your last 9, and again 606 the 3600, and here is your remainder 399. Now in your third step you will subtract this number, is this remainder. Here is this remainder. You will subtract this remainder from your 5-digit greatest number, means 99,999. You subtract this number from remainder from this number, you got 99,600. And when in step 4, when you subtract the numbers that are given and the remainders, you will see here in all numbers you will got 5 numbers. The difference is 5. Difference will remain 5 in all the numbers. So now at last step you will subtract this 5 number from your total amount. Here you got your total amount 99,600. So you will subtract 5 from it. You will got your answer 99,595. And students, here is your question number 9, which is what is the lowest number that must be added to 2000 so that the sum is divisible exactly by 10, 12, 16 and 18. In first step, same way you will take your LCM. In second step you will find the multiples of the number that are nearest lowest number to 2000, and at third step you will subtract 2000 from that number. In first step, when you take your LCM, you will got 720 as your LCM. When you got it multiples, in first 7021 the 7020, 722 the 1440, and 703 the 2160, which is nearest lowest number to 2000. So you will take this number and you will subtract this number 2000 from this number, and at last you will got your answer, which is 160. In this way you will solve your question number 9. Students, hope you learn all of questions from 5 to 9. Inshallah we will meet in our next lecture with question number 10 to 14. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.